A common question that I've been seeing is, how do I upload an audio file to Suno? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll also show you how to do it in Udio as well. Later in the video, I'll provide direction on how you can learn to use your own voice in AI songs on these platforms, along with direction on how you can create multiple songs with the same voice. Let me play you a few completed songs that I made with various audio clips. This is the first clip. A very unusual kind of knocking sound, maybe. I'm not sure what instruments are being used, but I chose it because it was very unique. And here's the song that I created.
Nights falling down, city lights they glow. Your head in mine, we let it all go. Streets call our names, echoes in the air. Step after step, lost without a care. Under the stars, we'll dream together, hearts open wide, love like forever. Moonbeams above, dancing in their light. Time slows for us, we own this.
Suno interprets the clip really well. You get all of that melodic knocking noises and those weird effects. It's incorporated right into the beat, and you got a cool rap song. Here's the next clip. So another unusual one, has kind of a cyberpunk futuristic vibe to it. Here's the song that I created. You get this really trancey, melodic tune. Here's the next clip. So it's a very smooth gospel choir. Love that one. And here's the song that it created.
Shine bright in my eyes, new day brings supreme surprise, moments flash and blur, time in motion stir, footprints in the sand, waves within my head. Memories erased, gone without a trace. Waves of time we ride, ocean deep and wide, flow with ebb and tide. Feel alive inside.
Another great example. Now let me show you how to upload an audio clip. To upload audio in Suno, on the left-hand side, click the Create tab. To upload your audio, click the Upload Audio button. You'll be given an option to upload it from your device, but just keep in mind that the clip cannot be less than 6 seconds or more than 60 seconds. Click the My Device button, and then you'll be prompted to select your audio file. Next, click Upload. Give Suno a few seconds to process and generate an album art, and then once finished, click the Continue button. When the upload finishes, it'll be added to your existing library with an uploaded tag. To use the song, click on the Extend button, and then scrolling a bit further down on the left, you'll now see the audio file is attached to the song creation panel. By default, it will continue the song at the end of your uploaded audio clip, and if you wanted to start the song from the beginning of the clip, all you would have to do is just change it to just be 1 second. Continue to fill out the lyrics or keep it as an instrumental, write in the style of music, and then give the song a title or leave it at default and then click the Extend button. Suno will generate 2 versions of the song and add them to your existing library. To upload a song in Udio, click on the Create button as well on the left-hand side. There is a tiny button next to the prompt box, and if you click on it, you'll be prompted to select your audio file. You will get a pop-up box which asks you to click the checkbox confirming that you have the rights to use this audio file. Click Continue. On the next screen, the Extend button is selected by default. If you wanted to start the song from the beginning of the clip, you would select the Remix button instead. Much like Suno, you would write in the type of song that you want to create, and there are other options to determine whether or not you want to add a section or something else, and whether or not you want to have the lyrics auto-generated, make it an instrumental, or create custom lyrics yourself. Scrolling a bit further and opening up this pane, there are some advanced features here, but I won't go into them because I have explained what these options do in other videos on my channel. Once you've filled out everything you need, scroll back to the top and then click the Extend button. Udio will do its thing, and much like Suno, 2 versions of the song will be added to your existing library. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss when new content goes live. To learn more how to use your voice in AI songs, or how to create multiple songs with the same voice, I have tutorials on how to do both popping up. Click here.